I often ask the question, why should your people follow you? I very often get a blank stare when I ask that question. You see, I believe that trust is the foundation of leadership, and that leadership is the foundation of followership. So who's following you? They've got to trust you first. They've got to respect you. And you have to be a person they are willing to follow. And so how do you do that? The easiest way to do that is to begin to connect with people. See, I've found many leaders don't take the time to get to know their people, don't take the time to understand why they're even coming to work. So why would they think they would follow them? So if you could just do one thing, start connecting with your people at a deeper level than you are today, and you'll gain trust and you'll gain more followership.